Canadian home prices to drop by up to 25% by the first quarter of 2023. What's up YouTube? I'm Nate Dallapaz with the Chan Real Estate Group, and by now you've probably seen or heard about all the articles and posts that came out last week about TD Bank stating that they're predicting home prices in Canada to drop by up to 25% by Q1 of next year. And a quick reminder, if you want to continue to see content like this, make sure you hit the like button down below. And I'm going to read one of the articles really quickly here just to show you guys. So a new bearish report from TD Bank forecasts that the average home price across Canada will decline between 20 and 25% by the first quarter of next year, 2023. The report comes as home prices already show signs of decreasing as borrowing costs rise in tandem with interest rates. TD Bank's forecasted price drop would represent an unprecedented decline going back to the late 1980s when the data first started being tracked. Getting back to the headlines, majority of them are saying 25% drop in Canadian home prices by the end of Q1 2023. Now, if you look at the fine print and actually open up these articles, what we're going to see here is that that drop of 25% doesn't start from now in September until Q1 of 2023. But if we look closer at the article and not just rely on the headlines and what they're saying, we're going to see here that TD Bank is actually stating that this drop of 25% doesn't begin right now in September of 2022, but rather it's in comparison to the peak of the market in the first quarter, second quarter of 2022. So again, it's not 25% dropping from now until Q1, but rather from the peak back in February of this year. For a little bit of context, on average in the Greater Toronto Area, since the peak back in February till now, we're actually down almost 19 to 20%. So what that means is that between now and the end of the first quarter of next year, we're looking at another 6% drop in home prices, not 25% as the headlines may lead you to believe. Again, this is just a quick reminder to not only rely on the headlines on the news, but actually read, open the articles, do your own research to make sure that you're getting actual data and not just relying on what's going on, what we're seeing on the headlines. So if you like this video, again, make sure you hit like, stay up to date with any upcoming videos that we have as well, and take care for now.